Hey YouTubers, today we're going on a swamp hike, maybe do a swamp talk. Hopefully it'll be nice out there in the swamp today. This is usually dry, but with all the rain we've had this summer, a lot of the dry parts of the swamp are wet themselves. Just needed to get out, and the trails are all overgrown. So, gotta kind of find your way around here. And probably everything growing so much this time of year, and pretty much isn't managed much this time of year too. And everything grows so fast, so gotta keep an eye out, find my way around. But it's nice today, as you can see, so I'm hoping to get a nice hike in before the rain starts. Always good to be out here. Rain or shine, if you're in the woods, it's always a good time. I'm a poet and didn't know it. I know it's not a taster's choice moment, but for me it's a swamp moment. It's beautiful. Just soaking in all the nature and the quiet and serenity. Best medicine in the world. That's why I call it good medicine. This little creek here is way above flooding that I've ever seen it. This is pretty deep too. I would never wade in there. That's probably 4 or 5 feet deep, and there's probably 12-foot things there that can eat you. So ain't gonna be going anywhere near that. I have my limits. As you can see, even the pine flatwoods are flooded. Pines aren't really big fans of water, and if they stand in the water for long periods of time, they start to die. Some people go to the left, some people go to the right. I usually prefer to go straight through. It's actually nice and cooling because this rain is recent. I think this is the last really deep part of this trail, so it's no big deal. And a little bit drier now for a little bit. I'm walking through a patch of bushes. Right here, these guys here. I don't know what they are, but in the fall, when they start to go to seed, they just are filled with seeds that just stick to you. And you could, after a while, you can spend at least a half hour taking all the little sticky things, their seed pods off. I despise them big time. But I'm not sure what the name of it. I'll get up close, see if anyone knows. Probably an invasive species. You can see these trails are really overgrown, and they'll be that way until late fall. They'll probably be, it's only July, so in a month, all these things will probably be 8 feet tall. Someone lost a flip-flop. Not a good place to lose a flip-flop, unless you like the barefoot hike, which I've done a time or two.